Grooming tips for Eid. Eid is near and I am pretty sure y'all want some grooming tips until Eid start. Don't worry, you are in right place. In today's video I share you some grooming tips for Eid that might helpful for you. 1. Start by ensuring your skin is well hydrated and exfoliated to create a smooth canvas for makeup application. 2. Choose a modest yet stylish outfit that reflects your personal style and is appropriate for the occasion. 3. Consider wearing a hijab or headscarf in a color that complements your outfit. 4. Opt for a natural or glam makeup look, depending on your preference, using long-lasting products to ensure your makeup stays put throughout the day. 5. Pay attention to your brows and lashes, as they can enhance your overall appearance. 6. To add a touch of glam, consider using a highlighter on the high points of your face for a radiant glow. 7. Don't forget to moisturize your lips and apply a long-lasting lipstick or lip stain for a polished look. 8. Consider wearing a light floral fragrance to complement your outfit and enhance your overall grooming routine. 9. Take care of your hair by nourishing it with a hydrating mask or oil treatment to achieve shiny, healthy-looking locks. 10. Pay attention to the fabric of hijab as it's enhance your overall look. 11. Pay attention to your nails by giving yourself a manicure or pedicure to complete your overall look. 12. Embrace your natural beauty and confidence, as it is the best accessory you can wear on Eid or any occasion. 13. Practice good skincare habits leading up to Eid to ensure your skin is glowing and healthy. 14. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet to nourish your skin from the inside out. 15. Take time to relax and unwind before Eid to reduce stress and ensure you look and feel your best on the day. 16. Plan your grooming routine in advance to avoid any last-minute stress and ensure you are fully prepared for Eid celebrations. 17. Consider getting a professional beauty treatment to pamper yourself before Eid. 18. Coordinate your accessories with your outfit to create a cohesive and stylish look. 19. Pay attention to small details, like your earrings, bracelet, or rings to elevate your overall appearance. 20. Remember to smile and radiate confidence, as your positive energy will make you shine on Eid and leave a lasting impression. I hope this video helped you to make you feel confident on Eid.